Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create and use live sticker on photos and messages tips on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on search app library and search photos app. You will see click on photos app. Now here click on library, so select photo. So after select photo, click on screen and just click and hold on screen. You will see click on add sticker. So you will see sticker is add. So after add sticker, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can create and use live sticker on iPhone, photo and messages on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.